Good morning, everyone. I'm here to share a very short story about Jesus that I came across recently. I hope it will motivate us to do good. While Jesus was having breakfast one morning with some of his disciples, he took some bread, said a prayer, broke the bread, and gave it to them. As they were eating, one of the disciples asked Jesus, "Why do you do this to us? Why do you make me get up so early in the morning? I mean, look at all these people. They can eat breakfast whenever they want." Jesus replied, "You don't understand what you're asking. You want to know why I woke you up? Because someone has prepared breakfast for you. Someone has made all this food for you, but he's hungry and he wants to eat it. So if I don't wake you up, who else will?" The disciple then said, "Well, we have plenty of time. Let's just finish our breakfast slowly." But Jesus insisted, No, we must go now." So they got up and followed him. When they arrived at the house where the man had prepared the breakfast, they found him sitting down. And Jesus said to him, "You prepared all this food and you knew we were coming, yet you didn't get up to welcome us. You didn't even come out to see us. So now I want you to do something for me." The man asked, "What is it, Lord? What do you want me to do?" Jesus said, "Go and do likewise." The man was confused. "Do what? I don't understand." Jesus replied, "Welcome my disciples. Give them breakfast and do everything you can to make them feel at home." Then the man welcomed them joyfully and gave them a wonderful breakfast. After they finished, Jesus paid the man and said, "This is why you should always be ready for the second coming of Christ, because you do not know when your Lord will come back. So be prepared and let your lamps be filled with oil. If someone is expecting me and prepares breakfast for me, do you think I will just ignore him or overlook it? No, of course not. It's the least I can do to welcome him and show my gratitude. And that's what you should do as well. So my friends, when you do something nice for someone and spend time and effort on them, don't expect them to do even more than you did for them. Don't expect them to be perfect. Just be grateful that you had the opportunity to do something nice for them. Welcome them and show them love as Christ has shown us. Thank you very much.